If bears have one honey, honey is rare, honey is valuable. But if bears grow more honey, honey becomes common, and honey is not as valuable. Demand pull inflation. If bears demand more honey, but honey farmer makes the same amount, honey price goes up because honey is more rare. Cost push inflation. If honey demand is the same, but honey farmer has less honey to sell, honey price goes up because honey becomes more rare. Production, cost inflation. Bear buys honey, bear eats honey, life is good. Bear tells bear friends about honey store. Bears buy all the honey. Honey farmer has to plant more honey trees, but honey seeds become more expensive. So honey farmer raises price of honey to cover cost, monetary inflation. If honey demand is the same and honey supply is the same, but bears have more leaves than usual to buy honey, honey price goes up because now leaves are not worth as much as before. Hyperinflation. Price of honey goes up, so bear government decides to create more leaves. So bears buy more honey, but honey price goes up. So bear government creates more leaves, but price of honey goes up, creates more leaves again. Price of honey goes up again, so bear government creates more leaves again. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually, bear government burns all the leaves and starts making sticks. It's a new currency. Inflation is not necessarily bad for bear if bear's amount of leaves goes up at the same rate as price of honey. Bear is happy if bear's amount of leaves goes up, but honey price stays the same. Bear is rich as fuck. If bear leaves stay the same, but honey price goes up, bear is poor. Bear is sad. Bear is all of us. To avoid inflation, bear should invest honey, as this will grow more honey with time. Sometimes inflation can get really honey. Please subscribe.